When a storm, flood or cyclone hits, it's not just what you do to stay safe that matters, it's what you don't do as well. I'm Geoff Evans. I've been a firefighter for over a decade and I'm the former CEO of Disaster Relief Australia. For more than 20 years, I've seen the same mistakes made over and over. Here are 6 things that you should never do in storms, cyclones or floods. Number 1, don't open windows during a cyclone, thinking it will release the wind pressure. You're only inviting the wind inside and making it more likely to blow your roof off. Number 2, never ever drive through floodwater. It's the leading cause of death in floods. Just 15 centimetres of water is enough to wash a small car away. Number 3, don't rely on the internet and power. In any disaster, they're usually the first things to go. Plan now for how you'll manage without a phone, the internet, or a functioning fridge. And what if your kids are at a mate's place across town? Is there a rally point where you can all meet? And what will you eat if you can't tap and go to buy food for 3 days? Number 4, remember to fill up the bathtub. You could lose clean water for days and you'll need a supply for things like washing and flushing the toilet. Number 5, don't forget to plan for your animals. I've seen people risk their lives to go back for pets. Just having a pet carrier ready or a cage in your garage can make all the difference. And now for number 6, the biggest mistake of all, not taking evacuation orders seriously. That she'll be right attitude has endangered far too many Australians. Evacuation orders are only ever issued when there's a threat to life and you still have enough time to leave safely if you act now. They need to be taken seriously. See u.prepared for more helpful information, including downloadables, emergency checklists, and practical resources.